Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I'm gonna do review this new perfume. Actually, my favorite brand, Ajmal, if you know. In Malaysia, before there's a Ajmal shop in Pavilion selling Arabic perfume. It's from Dubai, and this review I have actually three fragrances. So the first one will be this one, actually silver shade. Okay, let's unboxing first. Then I'll show you the details. So this is the box, front, side, back, and read. I don't know if you can read or not. Wait. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, you can screenshot or make it bigger. And then the below. Okay, on top of the box, let's open it. It's EDP, all the perfume, by the way, and of course they're everlasting. Very good bottle. Looks very expensive. See, I'm sure this one. Okay, it's 100 ml. Okay, the silver shade, Ajmal. Okay, that's fine. I think just below Ajmal perfume batch number, or the perfume 100 ml made in UAE, and then expired 2027. That's it. The cap. Looks like silver, right? But it's actually plastic. But it's nice. It's one frosty. Okay, wait. So it's like this. I will tell you later how what I thought about this perfume. I'm gonna smell it later on, but I'm gonna show you the details. Okay, I'm gonna put the link below below this video. If you wanna know the exact details, and why is it okay, and if you wanna buy online, but this is in UAE. Okay, let's look at the pictures and then yeah. Okay. Okay, done. And the description, you can pause, screenshot, done, and then okay. Top note, and then customer review. Okay, and then nothing else. So I'm gonna put the link below this video if you don't wanna know the exact details. Let's see how does it smell. Okay. Okay, when you spray, it's very strong. Well, the first note, first second, is like lemongrass actually. Okay, but it's a fresh lemongrass plus lemon, something like that. After that, when you leave it for a few seconds, the smell is more subtle. Yeah, it's somewhere around there also, like lemongrass, but there's Arabic sense also. So it's fresh and for youngsters also. I like it. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.